Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Now if you just landed for the first time, you might be thinking, who are these Crafty Monkeys? Well, I'm Rachel and I run Crafty Monkeys. And along with a lot of other people, we are a tribe of really passionate, enthusiastic people who love sewing and quilting and all sorts of other arts as well. Now if you like seeing top tips from some of the best industry experts, or perhaps you like seeing them interviewed, make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel. And of course, hit the bell, because then you'll be notified every time we upload some lovely free content, and we do that a lot. And you can come and join us wherever you are in the world via the magical platform of Zoom. We have some amazing teachers offering you wonderful, magical, inspirational classes. If you'd like to attend a live class with us, then head over to our website. It's CraftyMonkies.com. So I do hope you'll join our merry gang of monkeys. Really enjoy the free content that we upload here, but also come and join us in a class. Hopefully, I'll see you there.